Hello everybody, and in this video I'm going to show you some of the new Google Meet features that are just rolling out for September 2020. First thing I'd like to point out to you is the bottom left hand corner where you see the Google Meet code. When you click on this, you'll see Google Meet details for this meeting, a copy button to copy the meeting link, and an attachment tab for attachments you might enter or put into your Google Calendar. Those attending your meeting will see any and all attachments here. Next, point your attention to the meeting host controls, the blue shield and white lock here at the bottom of the screen. When you click on host controls, you'll see that you can lock the ability for students to share their screens and also lock the ability for students to send chat messages. You are also directly able to disable the chat within the chat box, located here on the top right of the screen. Once you open the chat box, you'll find the same toggle switch located here. Click to turn off the chat and click to turn it back on. In addition, there are new available add-ons located here, which include polls and questions. Polls are a great way to find out what participants think about a topic. They are also super simple to make. Click on polls, click start a poll, and ask your question. All you have to do is launch it. As you can see, this poll is now live. I can end the poll when I feel everybody's participated, and I have the ability to show everyone the results. If I don't like this poll, I can also trash it. If I wanted to start a second poll, I have to click on Start a Poll and create a new one. Let's head back to Ask a Question. Questions allow people in the meeting to post their questions. Click on Questions. As you can see, I've received a question. I can like the question. I can answer the question. I can mark it off that I've answered the question. I can delete the question, and I can hide or unhide the question. I also have the ability as a moderator to turn questions on or off using this toggle here. For a student to ask a question, all they have to do is click on the bottom where it says Ask a Question. When they click here, they can type their question and it will be recorded into the question log. And click the post button at the bottom. That question will appear in the question bank. Let's continue on for some additional features. When you click the three buttons in the bottom right hand corner, you'll see all your options. Now you have the option to open a jam in Jamboard, create breakout rooms, change the layout as enhanced, and you can blur your background. Let's start with Jamboard. To open a jam, click on Whiteboard. It will open a Jamboard in a new tab, or you can choose an existing one from your Google Drive. I'm going to start a new jam. Jamboard will open in an additional tab. Students can access this jam from the meeting details here at the bottom. It's now become an attachment. Super simple. Now let's take a look at breakout rooms. Head over to the More Options tab at the bottom. Choose Breakout Rooms. From here, you have the ability to set the number of rooms you wish to have in your breakout room session, shuffle the order of students, or clear participants from the rooms. To manually add students to each breakout room, all you have to do is drag and drop their name into each room. The names of all your participants will appear here at the bottom. Just drag and drop each one into the breakout room of your choice, and then click Create. Next, let's look at Change Layout. Click More Options, choose Change Layout, and here are some of the new features: Auto, Tiled, Spotlight, and Sidebar. I prefer Tiled, and you can tile up to 49 users, so 50 in total, including yourself. The last new exciting feature is the ability to have a blurred background. Head over to More Options one more time, choose Turn on Background Blur, and the background will be blurred during your meeting. I hope you find these new features exciting. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel.